I got some 1 1 1 1 1 1 in the chat, all over the chat, man. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Yeah, I'm streaming. Let's go. Yeah, this stream is rolling. All right, now play my screen. Yeah, let me get some 1 1 1 in the chat. You hear me loud and super clear. All right. Yeah, you guys are hearing me loud and clear, man. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's kick it off. Let's kick it off. Let's kick it off. Welcome, 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 welcome. To our New York session, man. As we go forward, we're gonna go to our rules for sure before we even enter into the sweet market, right? In which our rule number one, right? In which our rule number one is literally starting off with gratitude, right? When we start with gratitude, we're gonna be thankful, we're gonna be grateful for every single thing we have, and we're going for half, right? We gotta thank God for life, health, and strength also, man. Literally, to we start to actually kick off our day right, start off our day right, right? Because once we have the mindset right, once we have the psychology right, as I say, we know trading is literally 90% psychology that deals with our awesome brain, right? Deal with our awesome mindset. Once you have your mindset right and 10% skill, you Gucci, man. Right? So once you have your mind right, you're good to go. So when I say mind right, you actually, you settle long, you're actually preparing for the chance to take the chance, not to do the wrong thing, but to do the right thing, right? So you gotta settle long, make sure you're in a nice space we can actually take the trades properly, right? Nice. So we're gonna be grounded, we're gonna be calm, we're gonna be ready for action, right? So that's your rule number one: being grateful, being thankful, and having this awesome grounded on an awesome abundance mindset, right? So as you go forward to rule number two is actually checking the news, right? Are we gonna be checking the news on forexfactory.com/calendar, right? Now the reason why we're gonna be checking news on Forex Factory and not CNN and them news and them other news channel on the TV, right? We're gonna be checking it on the literally Forex Factory on your website, right? Reason for that is because yes, we're traders and we want to know what's going on first at what specific time, right? Well, we're gonna know what's going on first. How we actually due to how we're gonna know what's going on first and at that specific time at literally at that currency, whatever currency it is. We as traders, as I say, we're gonna know that first, right? So when we're looking at the Forex Factory, we want to know what high impact folder, or is known as a red folder, gonna affect the United States dollar this morning, right? Now, the reason why I said the United States dollar is because one, we're trading in the United States market right now, right? That's one, and two, we're gonna be trading US 30 and NAS 100, right? Those two things is actually indices that actually made up of US stocks, right? So whatever happened for the United States dollar could actually move the US stocks. That's including Apple, Tesla, all these tech companies, right? Apple, Tesla, Samsung, everybody, right? That's actually made up of US 30 and NASDAQ, right? So US 30 actually made up of 30 stocks. NAS 100 actually made up of 104 stocks, right? So these stocks, these companies actually moved by the United States dollar. So what high impact news or red full news gonna affect? Yeah, gonna affect the United States dollar. Gonna have major impact for United States. Gonna have major impact for the currency, which is US 30 and NASDAQ, right? I won't say currency, it's indices, right? Now, this morning we have no news, which is really, really good. But see today, boy, oh boy, you see today, I don't know. I think I may even do that too. I think I may even do that. I may even like have another session during the day because today is FOMC. And we know what happened with FOMC when Jerome Powell going to be speaking, and he's going to actually talk about the interest rates today. He have to announce it today, right? Literally, today is literally the last Wednesday of the for the month to actually have that awesome interest rates release for the United States dollar, right? So today we have interest rates for sure, which is literally FOMC news press conference. So I may do another session today also, depending on the time and stuff, but that's gonna be cool. That's gonna be really, really awesome, right? So as you go forward to rule number three is knowing we risk. Always gotta know we risk before we even enter into every trade. Right? When I say gotta know we risk, gotta know we risk. So when we have a risk, as we rule number three is risk management, we gotta have we calculated risk. We calculated risk gonna be 3%, always. So 3%, that's 300 pips, 3,000 points, or 3,000 ticks, right? If you're using trade locker, right? So that's 3% at every single trade we're taking. Literally. All right. Now, with that being said, we daily target is 10%. Once we know the daily target of 10%, we lock with profits, call it a sweet day, and we go on and we continue our awesome journey, right? So we lock with profits and we call it a sweet day, right? Now, risk management is literally your steering wheel for your vehicle. But we have 1 minute again for the New York Stock Exchange to open, so let's jump straight to the charts, man. Right? We ain't going in detail like that today, but let's go straight to the charts. Welcome. Who now come on? Right? You let's give for who actually now came on here. Right? You guys give me your update if we should do a session for the interest rates today. All right, that's around 2 o'clock. Between 2 to 2:30, 2:45 ish, right? So that's with that being said, we have big news today, and we have 13 seconds to go, right? So first chart we're gonna be looking at is US 30. Love US 30, man. Let's see if US 30 gonna give us a bearish momentum so we could actually take her down. Honestly, all right. So she giving us open market is now open. Guys, the volume have to come in today. Reason being there's news today. Volume gotta move today. Nas breaking to the downside already. Normally would I take Nas out of take Nas out of take Nas boost through already. That momentum. We need USD to do the exact same thing. I need to see the rejection zones. Yeah boy Nazi boy. Yeah boy Nazi boy. But at the same time I don't trust Nas. When I say I don't trust Nas, she could just drop and then after reject and buy off, alright? Now if she drop that, whoa, that's a big drop on Nas, yo. Alright, US 30 actually reached and I hold on. US 30 actually reached. Volume now pick up. That's good. US 30 now reached the low and rejected immediately. Looking at US 30, I am selling US 30 right now. Sell US 30 right now. Yo, straight in profits already. Let's go. We are selling US 30 right now. Make sure your stop loss is literally 3,000 points. Wrong. Make sure you have sales on US 30. Let's go. She pulled back to the entry, which is good. 3,000 points is we stop loss. Big drop. We are looking. We get a 15,000 point move on this trade, which is 15,000 pip, 15,000 points. This is 1,500 pip move on this trade, all right? Let's go US 30. Continue. We are running deeply in profits, yo. Let's go. We're running 300 pips in profit right now. Come on, we need to see that drop. We need to see that continue falling. Now I want to see a 600 pip in profit, and then we're gonna move to break even. Let's get it. We know she gotta fall. Come on, girl. Let's go. Fulfill we can continue falling to the ground. Don't give me no pullbacks there. Good job right now. Right now, you're running 400 pips in profit. Now we're running good. We good, man. Let's go. Continue going. Yo, like we talked about yesterday. See, she never fails us, man. But good job right now. Patience literally pays, man. She gave me the pullback. I forgot to tell you guys move to break even. I forgot. Yo. Forgot you. Alright, I was actually I forgot to tell you guys to move to break even, yo. But anyways, if you pull back and stop me out on the street, I don't mind the re-entry for the sell long because this is literally just a slight pullback to retest and then a drop. Now I want to see some rejections at this zone right here. We were so good US 30. All right, so which match is right now? I want to see some rejections. If she actually stop us out, cool. We're gonna actually re-enter for the same sell long once she actually shows us bearish momentum. All right. Now we get stop us yet. She's still yes, 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 yes. That we talking about. That's supposed to be a nice pullback entry she gave us there. I want to see this woman. I can actually engulf it though, in order for me to say yeah, it's good. Where I need my marker. Honestly, engulf it though. That's the only thing. If she doesn't engulf it and give us that kind of pullback, we won't feel all that good. But we need we need more momentum. Honestly, right now we're back in profits, which is good. We are running 300 pips in profit right now. Right. So she ain't engulf it as yet. We need it. 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 We need the engulf. We need the engulf. We need the engulf. Nah, that is not engulf. Because she ain't pass the wick. Once this can actually pass the wick, that's when we could actually move to break. Watch how Nas just dropping. Okay, Nas will just reach 600 pips right now. We need to see some rejections here now. Honestly, US 30. Alright, I like how this market actually moving. Alright, yeah, she giving us a rejection here, but I want to see more stronger rejections, like pullback to the downside. Right, this is a new higher low here, which she created, which is good. I want to see it actually engulf this little low here in order for me to say, yeah, we could hold out this, will be really good. Right now, she giving us that kind of pullback. I don't like that kind of pullback right now. Come on, we're gonna see this new 1 minute can actually show us a bearish move. If not, and she actually push off to the upside, breaking this high, yeah, this market could actually reverse to the upside. Right, that's where we could actually take her to the upside for sure at these highs right here. Right, yeah, we're preparing for the market if she actually give us a reversal. Come on, we need to see that bearish drop. Come on, let's go, girl. Believe in you, US 30. I believe in you, US 30. Bear in mind, I'll tell you guys when to actually move to break even. Huh? Just saying. We're still all right. Good job, good job. Want to see it break the low though. That's all I want to see. Break the low, 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 break. Move to break even. Risk free trade. As I say, move to break even. Make sure put a stop loss literally at break even. She retested twice. That's good enough. We need a new lower low. We are in good profits right now. This trade is a break even trade. I ain't fighting a market like that. We ain't want to lose nothing on this trade, literally, right? This trade is a break even trade. Right now, we're running back to 4 or 500 pips in profit. This trade is a break even trade. We're running for 15,000 points as a take profit, all right? One TP, one stop loss. We ain't playing that. Come on, we need a new lower low being created now, honestly. A new lower low needs to be created. To break that low, which is cool, we need to see a new lower low being created. Let's go US 30. We're running 600 pips in profit. Let's go US 30. Let's go US 30. Don't play, don't be like Nas. All right, Nas gave us a nice. Let me see how much Nas break out from. Right, Nas actually broken out and actually reached like 700 pips. So USD gotta double that to run a 1400 pip, right? So we gotta get a 14 to 1500 pip, literally move on US 30 at least. All right, right now we're back at 500 pips in profit here. That's crazy. She did reach the low. She did reach the low. She did reach the low and she rejected off of this low right here. We need to see that. We need to see it break through the low now. We need to see a break through the low. As I said, this trade is our break even trade and the end of the day too. So nobody should lose nothing on this trade. So she moved here, she gave us a good, that was a really good drop. Pull back to retest. She drop again. Pull back to retest. She drop again. We need another retesting area, literally, to get a next drop. All right, so with this here, you can actually, if you want to pull with this here, if you actually participating for the pullback, that's not a problem. To get a next retest, then to see the drop, that's not a problem. But if you want to get locked in some profits, because right now you're running like 700% profit right now, right? So doesn't matter. But this trade is a break-even trade. We should actually, as a matter of fact, as a matter of fact, if you want, all right, as you as a trader, you can actually move the stop loss and move it slightly in profit, not plenty. All right, slightly in profit as a stop loss. All right, so instead of coming out with nothing, you still come out with a little something, right? Because right now you're running like 800 pips in profit right now. The new lower low now been created right here. Let's go. But we need to see, and we don't see that volume for that drop though. That's the only thing. All right, so right now you're running like 700 pips in profit still, which is good. Good. We need a new lower low. We need more momentum for that lower low. All right, and you see this literally, see this dotted line here. This dotted here is which part it could actually drop and reject to go back up, right? Let's go. We're running how much? 800% profit still. We need that drop. We need that volume. We need that volume yesterday. Good, 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 good. 900% profit right now. Now let's remember I told you guys 10% is the daily target. Are we going for 15? That's just greed. Anywho, as you hit the 10%, I don't mind locking in profits. All right, now if you win for 15, that's not a problem. If you hit 1,000 pip in profit, not if, when, because right now we're running that right now. Once you hit 1,000 pips in profit, we move, we stop loss 500 pips in profit, locking in half, we holding. That's if you're holding for the 15. If you're actually locking in at 10%, that's not a problem, right? 3, 2, 1, one more push, one more push, one more push, US30. One more push, US30. Right now we're running 970 pips in profit right now. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yep, yep, yep. That's 1,000 pip right there, yo. So that's the 10% you now actually wick. Literally on my side. She actually jumped to the upside, yo. I literally got nothing to say with this market again. Reason why I say that? Reason why I say that is because she literally on my side she actually hopped. She jumped to the upside, right? This market she engulfed, not engulfed, she actually gap to the upside, right? Reason why I say that is because this market is gonna drop back down to fulfill the gap. Now, best thing to do is this market can actually drop, fulfill the gap, and pass that wick. That'll be really good. Fulfill the wick, that'll be really good. But yeah, we still gotta cater for the pullback. We gotta get a pullback, Just see. We gotta get a pullback. Badam badam. I'm looking for a pullback right there though. So in other words, that pullback could actually reach that pullback could actually reach 300 pips pullback, then for the drop, right? Now if you actually move your stop loss, to 500 pips in profit, you maybe got cut out, I believe, probably. But if you're holding out, yeah, you got cut out. But if you're holding out, I believe in you guys. I'm holding out myself. Right now, we are literally back at 1,000 pep. I told you guys you gotta pull back to retest it and then drop. We wanna see a break the low. Once she break the low, we bad. We Gucci. We're gonna be really Gucci. She break the low. We Gucci. We Gucci. We need more volume than that. Honestly, right now we're running literally 10% in profit right now. Now, honestly, if you want, you can lock in a full 10%. Call it a day. If you hold in for your 15, make sure move that stop loss deeper in profit. Yeah, I'm holding for 15. Honestly, all right. I'm holding for the 15. We gotta dust it off. We gotta dust it off, right? We clear to take off, guys. Big drop, yo! Big drop, yo! Let's go! Come on, let's go, US30. Drop it like it's, yeah, drop it like it's, yeah, come on. Don't give me no pullbacks there, though. Don't give me no pullbacks there, yo. Don't give me no pullbacks there, yo. Watch how close she was, right? She was close, yeah. We know. She was close. She was close. Yeah, she was close, but we're gonna slight little pullback again. Okay, 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 okay. Shoot to the moon, man. I want to see you fall to the ground. I want to see you fall to the ground. We running 1100, 1200 pips in profit right now. Yo, let's go, man. Let's go, man. Yeah, yeah. Let's go, man. Yeah, yeah. Let's go, man. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Smack it. Come on, come on, come on. Smack it. Let's go. Smack it. Smack it. Smack it. I dare you, USD. USD, I dare you, USD. Let's go, girl. Let's go, girl. Let's go, let's go, let's go. 100 pips away. Three, two, one. Come on, come on, come on. She's inches, yo. Less than an inches, yo. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Three, two, one. TP smack. Let's go. Let's go, man. Make sure lock in your profits. That is what we do, man. Lovely, lovely, sweet trade, man. Make sure you lock in your profits. Let's go. Let's go. What a trade, man. Let me know in the chat who get to lock in profits, yo. I told you we clear to take off. We were super clear to take off, and she caught you dropping, yo. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. You get to lock in profits, man. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know in the chat, man. 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 That we talking about. What a sweet banger, straight to the point, literally. As I say, she gotta jump to this dotted line here, right? So honestly, if I was holding for the dotted line, that would be like a good 1800 pip move, which she is doing right now. Let me see. Yeah, that we talking about. That we talking about. It's just I say, yeah, she actually locking profits, right? Now, the reason why, right? Now I can talk my talk, right? Now we can talk, we talk, right? We locking profits, we call it a C session, right? Now I can talk my talk, right? Now the reason why I say 1500 pips as a 15% is because we have 2 more days, well today and tomorrow again for the month to end, right? Now, I don't know if you guys remember what I said Monday. Remember, I said Monday, I want to hit 100% growth. So, in other words, whenever I actually did my calculation last night, I was like, we are just 6,000 pip away, which is 60% again to actually hit 100% growth within before the month end. This is before the month. I'm not including Friday, right? That's literally before the month, right? So in other words, I just need 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 more sessions again until the month up, and 4 sessions of this hitting 15%, we could get 100% growth. Just see it. This is just the first session out of the 4. We have 3 more sessions to go, man, to actually call it a whole 100% growth in 1 week. This is less than a week. This is less than a week, literally, right? So got taken out on the pullback for 700 pips. That is nothing, that is nothing. I still 7% it got inside, yo. That we talk about. That we talk about. That we talk about. That we talk about. We still gotta lock in something, yo. That we talking about still, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Big up yourself for everyone who actually lock in the full 15. If you lock in 15, 4, 7, any amount, you're still locking profits. It's still a growth you actually cut. Big up yourself. Congratulations. Congrats, 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 congrats. That's one. Two, what's another thing I was gonna say? This Sunday, please God, I'll be doing a session. Surety will be doing a session. Literally, the beginners, intimidate, and advance. Right? That's gonna be everyone who's new, who is not new, who is advanced, just to get refresh everything. Yeah, we'll be doing that for sure. Sunday at 6 p.m. sharp. And we're gonna run up this back right now. We're gonna actually share this awesome opportunity where everyone making cash. So, light up the chat also. Let everyone know we make cash. Post it in the starters. Let everyone know we make cash, man. So let's go, let's go, let's go. I love you guys, man. I'm not gonna hold you up guys longer than this. This market is continue falling. It's a falling session. Another thing, may do a session today at 2. So look out for that. So let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. It's money making machine. It's a money making group. And let's get it, man. So let's go, man. I love you guys. And I am out of here. I'm out, man. Hey, and YouTube, make sure to plug in, yo.